Breathing techniques for pain management can make a huge difference in your labour experience. Whether you're preparing for your first baby or looking for new ways to handle contractions, mastering these techniques can help you stay calm, focused and in control. By the end of this video, you'll have 7 powerful breathing techniques that will support you through every stage of labour. And we'll even talk about that trance-like state and the deep sounds that many women naturally make. So let's get started. First up, we have deep belly breathing or abdominal breathing. This is a great technique for early labour when you're just starting to feel contractions. It's simple but incredibly effective. Place your hands on your belly, breathe in deeply through your nose, letting your belly rise. Then exhale slowly and fully through your mouth, allowing your belly to fall. This type of breathing activates your parasympathetic nervous system, which helps calm your body and mind. It's also a great way to get into a meditative trance-like state, making those early contractions more manageable. You might find yourself sighing or making soft humming noises, and that's perfect. Let your body release any tension with each exhale. Next, we have slow breathing, also known as relaxation breathing. This technique is ideal for early and active labour when contractions are getting a little stronger. The idea is to take in long, slow breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth, almost like you're sighing. This slow, steady rhythm can help you enter a trance-like state where you're focused and inward and more connected to your body. It's almost like meditation. You're calming your nervous system and staying grounded. Don't be surprised if you start making low, soothing sounds as you exhale. These sounds can help release tension and keep your body relaxed. Let's move on to counting breaths. This technique is great if you like having something specific to focus on. You're going to inhale through your nose for a count of 4, and then exhale through your mouth for a count of 6 or 8. You can adjust the count to whatever feels comfortable for you. By focusing on the count, you can give your mind something to hold on to, which can help distract from the intensity of contractions. The rhythm of the counting can also help you get into a bit of a trance, almost like you're hypnotised by the rhythm of your own breath. Now let's talk about patterned breathing, sometimes called 1-2 breathing. This technique involves taking a breath in a specific rhythm, like inhale, exhale, exhale. So you might breathe in through your nose, then exhale quickly twice through your mouth. The rhythm of patterned breathing is almost like a dance with your breath. It can be hypnotic, helping you enter that deep, focused state. You might naturally make or ha sounds as you exhale, which can help keep you grounded and in control. Up next is one of my favourites, horse lips or lip blowing. This one might seem a bit silly, but trust me, it works wonders. Take a deep breath in through your nose and then blow out through your mouth with relaxed, fluttering lips, like this. This technique helps release tension in your face and jaw, which is directly connected to your pelvic floor muscles. By relaxing your face, you help relax your body, making it easier to manage contractions. Plus, the sound itself can be quite soothing and rhythmic, helping you stay in that trance-like zone. Let's talk about something that you might not expect, and that's low moaning, or what some people even call mooing. As labour intensifies, many women instinctively start making deep, low sounds. It might sound like a long ooh or ah, and it's completely natural. These low guttural sounds help activate your vagus nerve, which calms your body. It's also a way of releasing tension and pain, almost like a form of primal vocalization. When you're in a deep labour trance, you might find that these sounds just come out without even thinking about it. It's your body's way of coping, so go with it and let those sounds flow. Last but not least, we have visualization breathing. This technique combines deep breathing with mental imagery. As you inhale, imagine you're breathing in calm, strength and light. As you exhale, picture yourself releasing pain and tension. Visualization can enhance the trance-like state because it gives your mind a positive focus. You might whisper words like open, release or calm as you exhale, helping you stay connected to the visualization. It's a beautiful way to bring a sense of calm and control to your labour experience. So those are 7 powerful breathing techniques to help you manage pain during labour. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to breathe. It's all about what works for you in the moment. So practice these techniques before labour so you feel confident using them when the time comes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out my other videos on labour and childbirth. I have tons of tips and advice to support you on your journey to motherhood. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend who might benefit from these techniques. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.